By the end of this video, you will know how to add a court rule in Clio Manage. Start by signing in to your Clio Manage account. Once you are on the main screen, look to the Settings area and click it to open the account options. This is where Clio Manage stores the setup choices that control features across your workspace. From Settings, select Court Rules. This opens the section where you can manage the jurisdictions available for court rule calendaring. If no jurisdictions have been added yet, this page may look fairly empty at first, which is expected. Next, click Add New Jurisdictions. A search option will appear so you can look up the court jurisdiction you want to enable. Enter the name of the jurisdiction, then select it from the results. If you need more than one, choose each jurisdiction you want to use before moving on. Make sure you select the correct jurisdiction or jurisdictions for the matters you are working with, since that will determine which court rules and events are available later. When your selections are in place, save your changes. After the jurisdictions have been added, go to Calendar. In the Calendar area, click the New button and then select Court Rule. This opens the form used to create a court rule entry tied to a specific matter and court schedule. Now enter the court rule details. Start with the matter field and choose the matter this rule belongs to. Then select the jurisdiction from the list of jurisdictions you enabled earlier. After that, choose the court trigger. The trigger is the event that the rule is based on, so make sure it matches the filing or court action you need to calendar. Then enter the trigger date. This date will be used to calculate the related deadlines and court events. Once those core details are filled in, choose the related court events you want to include. Clio Manage will show the events connected to the selected rule and jurisdiction, and you can pick the ones that apply to this matter. This is the point where you confirm that the calendar entries being created match the deadlines you want tracked. Before finishing, review the calendar options on the screen. Check that the matter, jurisdiction, trigger, date, and selected events all look correct. If anything needs to be adjusted, update it here before creating the rule. When everything is set, click Add to Calendar. Clio Manage will then create the court rule and place the related events on the calendar based on the information you entered. Your court rule is now added to the calendar in Clio Manage.